Hi guys, Rots and Joy is back again with another video. Today we will talk about how did we get the $125 revenue with just 1 week. And this is suitable for new YouTubers like us. But first, let me teach you the 5 ways on earning money on YouTube. The first and the major way your channel will earning money or revenue is by ads. Ads and auctions will display ads on your video. Once the viewer watches or click the ads, you will earn from it. The second one is through super chat and super stickers. You can earn from this when your fans pay you to get their messages highlighted. The third one is by channel memberships. If someone join to your channel membership, they will make recurring monthly payments and exchange for special perks that you offer. The fourth one is by YouTube Premium revenue. You will get part of a YouTube Premium subscription fee when they watch your content. Also, in fact, YouTube Premium gives a secondary revenue stream for creators in addition to what you're already earning today through ads. And that is how can you make or earn money on YouTube. The first thing is to upload videos that you will hope other people to watch it. And we recommend to create a tutorial video because according to the Google, the most watched videos on YouTube is tutorial. But make sure that it is not violating the community guidelines of the YouTube. Please watch the whole video until we discuss the best way we did to earn fast on YouTube. The second way is to live often. The second way is to live often and find a potential viewer that you know that you can help them through live, and when they appreciate your effort and work by teaching them on something, they will give you a money for support. And this is our fastest way to earn revenue. And some other reason we can explain or elaborate here on how we get it. We're sincerely apologize, but no worry. Please contact or reach us on Facebook and we will teach you. I hope you understand. Here is the one thing I can assure you that you will be success on YouTube. Don't give up. Always find a way to earn and don't be lazy. We can go all through this, okay? Hope you learn about this video, and please contact us or reach us on Facebook so we will teach you, okay? Bye-bye. So yun guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you will be updated to our next video. Hi, thank you for watching.